Nightingale was a staunch supporter of British colonialism, even with the knowledge of the death and destruction left in its wake. She believed Indigenous lives were a small price to pay for the expansion of the British Empire. Nightingale considered Indigenous peoples to be inferior and the British state to be a civilizing force. She is known to have written, "would be simply preserving their barbarism for the sake of preserving their lives." The quote mentioned is from Nightingale's Sanitary Statistics of Native Colonial Schools and Hospitals, published in 1863. A report